Once upon a time, in a quiet countryside, there lived a farmer named David. David was not a young man anymore. His hair was gray and his hands were rough from many years of hard work. He had a small farm where he grew vegetables and fruits. David loved his work. Every morning he woke up early, went to his fields, and took care of his plants. He knew that farming needed patience. Seeds don't grow in one day. They need time, water, sunlight, and love. One spring morning, David's young neighbor, a boy named Tom, came to visit him. Tom was only 12 years old, but he was very curious about everything. "Good morning, Mr. David," Tom said with a big smile. "Good morning, Tom. What brings you here so early?" David asked. "Mr. David, I want to learn farming. Can you teach me? I want to grow something beautiful." David smiled. "Of course, my boy. Farming is a wonderful thing to learn, but you must know one thing. It requires patience." "Patience? What do you mean?" Tom asked. David took Tom to his small shed and showed him different packets of seeds. Tom looked amazed. Then David picked up one special packet. "These are very special flower seeds," David said. "They are called rainbow flowers because when they bloom, they have many beautiful colors: red, yellow, purple, and orange." Tom's eyes grew wide. "Wow, I want to grow these. Can I plant them today?" "Yes, you can," David said. "But I must tell you something important. These seeds take a very long time to grow. You will plant them today, but they will not grow tomorrow. Not next week, maybe not even next month." Tom looked confused. "Then when will they grow?" "They will grow when the time is right," David replied gently. "Maybe in 3 months, maybe in 4 months. You will water them every day. You will take care of them every day, but you will not see anything for a long time. You must be patient and trust that they will grow." Tom thought for a moment. "That's a very long time, Mr. David, but I want to try." David smiled and nodded. Together they went to the field. They prepared the soil, made it soft and ready. Then Tom planted the seeds carefully, covered them with soil, and watered them. "Now what?" Tom asked. "Now we wait," David said kindly. "The seeds will grow under the ground first. You won't see them, but they are growing. Their roots are becoming strong. Then one day you'll see a small green shoot coming out of the soil." Every single day, Tom came to David's farm. Rain or shine, hot or cold, Tom was there. He watered his seeds, he pulled out weeds, he took care of them with love, but nothing happened. 1 week passed. Nothing. 2 weeks. Still nothing. After a month, Tom started to feel sad. "Mr. David, I don't think my seeds will grow. Maybe they are dead. Maybe I did something wrong." David smiled kindly. "Do you remember what I told you? These seeds need time. They are working hard under the ground. You cannot see it, but it is happening. Trust the process. They will grow. They will bloom. You just need to be patient and believe." Tom wanted to give up, but he remembered David's words, so he continued. Every day, he came and watered his seeds. After 2 months, Tom was tired. He felt like his hard work was useless. But still, he didn't stop. Then one morning, something magical happened. Tom came to water his seeds as usual, but this time, he saw something different. There was a tiny green shoot coming out of the soil. Mr. David! Mr. David, come quickly! Tom shouted with joy. David came running. When he saw the little green shoot, he smiled. You see, Tom, I told you. They will grow. From that day on, the shoots grew taller every day. After another month, beautiful buds appeared. And finally, one sunny morning, the rainbow flowers bloomed. They were the most beautiful flowers Tom had ever seen. Red, yellow, purple, and orange, all shining in the sunlight. Tom looked at David with tears of joy. Thank you, Mr. David. You taught me something very important. What did you learn, my boy? Tom smiled softly. I learned that good things take time. If we work hard and don't give up, our dreams will grow. They will bloom. We just need to be patient and believe. David put his arm around Tom's shoulder. That's right, Tom. In life, many good things take time. Education, skills, friendships. But if you're patient and work hard every day, you'll see beautiful results, just like these flowers. And from that day on, Tom never forgot the lesson. Whenever life felt slow or hard, he remembered the rainbow flowers and David's words, they will grow, they will bloom. Just be patient.
Countryside, meaning rural area, land outside cities with farms and nature. Curious, meaning wanting to know or learn about something. Patience, meaning the ability to wait calmly for a long time. Bloom, meaning when a flower opens and shows its colors.
Quiz time. What important lesson did Tom learn from growing the rainbow flowers? Write your answers in the comments.